Today we're going to bring these beautiful brass handles. All right, they give you 10 of them, including with the screws. So if you're going to build a nice beautiful kitchen or any cabinets that you want to set up, this is something you can use. Right now we're going to set it up and see how well it works, and it looks in within the actual piece of wood. So if you ever want to present a client and you want to show them how it's going to look, this is a one way you can do it. We're going to demo it in here. So let's go ahead and put it to use. Beautiful handles, if you guys can see, brass handles. So if you're gonna take this to your client, or you're gonna have your doors in your kitchen or in your living room, anywhere pretty much, if you're gonna match some aesthetics around your house, beautiful lighting, beautiful aesthetics. If you guys can see, the handles are very strong, sturdy, so, and very simple to install. Not very difficult. You get a set of 10 here, but they have multiple colors, multiple styles. I hope you guys enjoy the video.